Hello, isn't the snow just beautiful today? I could watch it fall for hours. It makes everything feel so peaceful. I hope you're enjoying it too.
What a beautiful day for a walk, sweetie.
Yeah, Mommy, and look, he's so happy. He's running. Can we play?
Of course, let's make a snowman later. Let's dig a little more, sweetie.
Okay, I'll help. Wow, look!
You found a yam! Great job!
Yay, a yam!
Wow, we found a big yam!
It's huge. Can I touch it?
Of course! Let's get a closer look.
This is the biggest one ever!
It is! What a great find!
This one's a big one.
It is! You have a good eye.
Can I do another one?
Of course! Let's pick a good one.
This one!
Perfect choice. Smells wonderful.
Yeah, I'm putting mine on now. Careful, it's hot. Delicious.
This is the best. So good. Ah, so refreshing. Perfect for a snowy day. This is so good. Want somebody? Good boy, come here. You're so cute.